I'm Roger, and this is my shop, and I want to tell you a little bit about what this channel is about. First off, I'll tell you that I break some rules. There are some unwritten rules about having a YouTube channel that you have to have your own little niche, and I hate that word. But they want you to concentrate all on one subject. Well, this shop doesn't work that way. A little bit about me. I'm a retired electrician at 42 years in the field as a master electrician, electrical engineer, retiring in 2019. So therefore I have a lot of electrical knowledge, and I will pass some of that along every now and then on the channel here. Wondering about how to wire up certain things for your shop. I'm not going to design the wiring for your shop though, so don't even ask. The other things I do, obviously I do woodworking. This is my modified table saw with router table built in. I have a lot of woodworking tools behind me, but it's not limited to just woodworking. I may be working on small engines. I don't work on cars. I have a son-in-law that owns a auto pro shop, so I leave that to him. I don't even mess with cars and trucks. But I do occasionally have to work on a small engine. You may find me working on some home improvement project, perhaps some cabinets, replacing a doorknob, replacing a door, maybe building a deck, building a shed, small construction projects. I did build my own house, but that was 25 years ago, and I'm way too old for that now. I'm not going to even attempt to do that again. This channel covers quite a few things. You may see me working on a printed circuit board. I intend to get into 3D printing and a little bit of CNC engraving with both the laser and the router, but not on a large scale, just on a little bit of a hobby level to try something different. So you'll be seeing some things like that here coming up in the next couple months. Otherwise, we'd like to invite you to browse around on the different videos we have. They cover a lot of different subjects. I'm also a beekeeper. There's quite a few videos on building your own beekeeping equipment because I build my own, including the frames. And there's how-to videos on that, even how to cut the handholds and the brood boxes and supers. So with that said, I don't want to make this too long. This is just meant to be an introduction. I'll tell you a little bit about this channel. And of course, on any of the videos we watch, we always appreciate getting that thumbs up and a like on them. I do always read the comments. If you leave a comment, I'll be more than happy to read it and reply if necessary. And of course, we're always looking for subscribers. And right next to that subscribe button is a little bell. If you click that bell, you'll be notified when I post another video. But I'm Roger. This is the shop. Thanks for watching. We invite you to look around, and maybe you'll find something that's up your alley.